For today's tech tip, we will discuss Microsoft Planner. An often overlooked app within the Microsoft suite. Renowned as a collaborative task management tool, Microsoft Planner simplifies project organization, tracking, and execution for teams. Now, let's get into 3 of the main benefits of Microsoft Planner. 1. Organized task management. With Microsoft Planner, you can easily create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress, all within a single interface. No more juggling between different apps or emails. 2. AI-powered insights. Utilizing AI capabilities, planners often intelligent insights and suggestions to optimize task prioritization, resource allocation, and project timelines, helping teams work smarter and faster. 3. Visualize process tracking. Visualize your project's progress with intuitive charts and graphs. Quickly identify bottlenecks, monitor task completion rates, and adjust timelines as needed to keep your project on track. These benefits may just have you considering integrating Microsoft Planner into your daily workflow. Thank you for watching today's tech tip. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team.